video. What I have here is a blues harmonica. And you know, this is a great harmonica for like folk music, country music, rock, pop, a unique, beautiful, mellow sound. And this is from the company EASTROCK, and it's got recessed reed plates with Diatonic harmonicas. Check it out. Let's just look over the box here. And you know, I did take it out and look at it. I've actually never played a harmonica in my life, but I do want to start playing one. And the case on this thing is it feels like wood. That is like a very high quality case. Looks absolutely very premium. It's got the EASTROCK logo right there on the side or right on the top of it. The case has a nice hinged back on it. So open it up, you see the harmonica itself right there. You get a little set of instructions that kind of goes over. This is a 10-hole harmonica, and this is the instruction manual. Kind of goes over the different types. You know, the overblow, the bending, the overdraw, the bending. So you can kind of see how the back is designed there. And like I said, it's got some weight to it. So it has a very premium feel, and it's got a little microfiber cloth to clean it off there. Look at that. And it shines up nicely. Look at that shine. I'm not going to claim I can play anything, but y'all can hear how good that thing sounds. Like I said, I've never played, but I've been wanting to. I've been looking up some things on how to play it, and it's got it labeled 1 through 10, so you know exactly which hole you're going to be using when you're playing it there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the EASTROCK harmonica. See y'all next video.